students, good morning. As you know, our running chapter is chapter 4 of geography, hot desert. We have already learned about what is desert and land of the desert, plant and animals of the desert. Now, our next topic is life of the people in desert. Life in desert is very difficult. You know that because there is scarcity of water is the major problem. And but people lived in desert for thousands of years. But because of these difficulties, even the people lived in the desert for thousands of years. There's some desert people like Bushmen of Kalahari Desert. Bushmen of Kalahari Desert in South Africa. Okay? Bushman is a tribal people. Bushman क्या है? Tribal people हैं. And they are hunter gatherers. Means हंटर गेदर्स मीन्स वो ग्रुप में क्या करते थे, हंटिंग करते थे. ग्रुप में वो लोग होते थे और हंटिंग करते थे. उनका मेन ऑक्यूपेशन यही होता था. फिर टुआरेग्स ऑफ सहारा एंड बेदोइंस ऑफ नॉर्दर्न अफ्रीका एंड वेस्टर्न एशिया आर एनिमल हर्डर्स एंड ट्रेडर्स. एनिमल हर्डर्स मीन्स पशुपालक, जो एनिमल्स डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स या कोई भी एनिमल्स को जो पालते थे. एंड ट्रेडर भी होते थे. ओके. बेदोइंस आर द पीपल ऑफ hot desert. Bedouins are the people of hot desert of Northern Africa and Western Asia. Both of these places they are live Northern Africa and Western Asia. What is the meaning of Bedouins? Bedouins means someone lived in desert. Someone live in desert. They called Bedouins. Bedouins are nomads. अब nomads क्या होते हैं? Nomads are the person they move from place to place in search of water, and they also take their animals with that. Okay, they protect their body with loose clothes and keep their body protect from heat. They covered their all body parts with their loosely clothes. Many Bedouins live nomadic life, but now at that time they work and live in cities. Now let us see farming in desert. Farming in desert, most areas are in desert are not good for growing crops because there is a scarcity of water and hard soils and infertile soil. That is the reason they're not growing for crops in such places in desert where oases are found. In such places where oases are found, crops such as millet, dates and wheat are grown here. Millets, dates and wheat are grown in those places where oases are found. Okay. Millets include many kind of hardy cereals जैसे ज्वार and bajra. Millets including ज्वार and bajra. Here the houses are close to each other in desert, and they have thick wall, small windows. Why the small windows? Because they keep out the heat से protect करने के लिए उनके घर कैसे होते थे, small windows होते थे and thick walls होती थी, mud of walls. In the desert where possible means some places are possible to digging a canal for the government orders. Where possible, canals are dug from the river to bring water into desert. This help to people to grow crops such as Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan. It carries water from Satluj River into Thar Desert. और ये इससे किसे हमें लाभ मिलता है? इन थार डेजर्ट में जो लोग रहते होंगे वो इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल से वो वहाँ के लोग रहने वाले लोग जो होते हैं वो इजीली अपने क्रॉप्स या एग्रीकल्चर कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस ट्रैवल एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट इन डेजर्ट. Traveling difficult in desert because they are sand. That's why it is difficult in desert. But earlier desert people depended completely on animal for transport. In sandy desert, camel was the best means of transport because it has hump and it can live for many days without water. So that is why it is called the ship of the desert. Camel को क्या कहते हैं? The ship of the desert. Camel are also used for trading. Camel also used for trading in Sahara Desert. Okay, trading for salts, dates, etc. In many desert, camel safaris for tourists. In many desert, बहुत सारे desert में camel safari जो कारवां होता है उसको as a tourist को attract करने के लिए use करते हैं. Now we have to complete this of chapter 4 hot desert. Okay, thank you.